everyone, today we are going to do volcano erupt. Let me show you how and why volcanoes erupt. Inside the earth, there's something called magma. It's very hot. It's a metal rock. When the earth gets too hot and full of pressure, the magma pushed up and come out of the volcano. That's called an eruption. I am mixing baking soda and citric acid. I am putting little bit of pigment. I will add some water using this dropper. Eruption happened. Look, it's bubbling. It's like a real eruption. Water reacts with the powder and making gas. The gas need to escape, so it's bubbling up. Just like lava, thus in a real volcano. Oh, bye. This is exploding.